History's Hiccups, Part 64. Dive into the story of Sulla, the Roman general who seized Rome in 82 BC, setting a chilling precedent. He became the first to capture Rome by force, later declaring himself dictator indefinitely. Sulla's rule was marked by proscriptions, targeting enemies with death or exile, reshaping Roman politics through fear. Yet, in a surprising turn, he retired in 79 BC, leaving behind a legacy that blurred the lines between power and tyranny. Sulla's life highlights the dramatic shifts in Roman governance from republic to empire, showcasing the impact of ambition on history's stage.